We are going to begin doing standard 1C. I can perform operations on polynomials, so we're going to add, subtract, multiply, and divide these guys. So first we need to know what standard form of a polynomial is, okay? So a polynomial is just terms with x's and different powers on them. And so we're going to write the polynomial where the powers of x are decreasing and the constant term is last. Okay, so that's how you write it in standard form. So really, when you go to do this, so let's look at number 1. Step 1 is to identify the biggest exponent. So there's no exponent on the -12. There's an exponent of 2 on the 3 and an exponent of 4 on this one. So this is our highest exponent here. So this is going to be our very first term rewrite, and the symbol that's right in front of it goes with the term. So it's going to say negative 6x to the 4th. And when you're done, you can kind of cross that one out. Okay, and then you have to go, the powers of x go down. They are decreasing. So the next power of x is the x squared. So we're going to write plus 3x squared. And the constant term, a constant term is just a number with no x, no variable. So our constant term is -12. So we write that at the end. And now this is a polynomial, has a degree of 4 because that is our highest exponent, a leading coefficient of -6 because that is the number in front of our highest exponent, and it has 3 different terms in it. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, so here I'm going to look at all of my terms and decide which one has the highest, would be the x to the 5th. So I'm going to write that term first, and then I find the next highest exponent, which is 8x cubed. Remember, the symbol goes along with it. And then I find the next highest exponent, which is 5x squared. And that is a positive, so 5, so I'm going to write plus in between. And then our constant term always goes last. So there is my polynomial in standard form. The degree is 5 because that is the highest exponent. The leading coefficient is -9, and it has 4 terms. Okay, our last example here. Which one has my highest exponent? That would be my x to the 4th, so 17x to the 4th. My next highest exponent is x squared. And then my last exponent is this -3x. There's really a power. If there's no power on that x, that power is a 1. So that becomes my last term. So this one has no constant term. The degree is 4 because that is the highest exponent. And the leading coefficient is 17. And there are 3 terms.